How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Edge 3D. I recently won a contest from Kingroon, and they sent me 3 kilograms. So I'm kind of excited with that. They didn't tell me what it was. I started opening it, and I was like, I should probably record this and share with everybody. So this first one looks like this first one. So yeah, it looks like this first one's a silver. I've never tried this series of theirs. Looks like the temps are all about the same. I wonder what the difference is. This one is on a cardboard spool versus the ones that come with plastic reels. I don't personally like the cardboard ones that much. They get a bunch of dust everywhere. Then they get knocked around and they can be a little bent and stuff like that. And then when you're pulling them off an AMS or like the AMS light, they have a hard time coming off, and they kind of want to split on you a little bit. But free's free. We like free. Let's check out the next one. They sent me the tracking maybe Friday last week or something. Can't remember what day it was, but it's Tuesday and it got here pretty quick. So they're just as fast as any other one else, if not faster, it seems like. What's we got here? One, is this another silver? Another silver. So I wonder if it's just a 3-pack. I mean, gray or silver is kind of a nice color to have. It's always good to have extras of those. It's a nice additional color that you could add in with a lot of stuff. It's kind of like a black. Oh, guess what? Guess what the third color is? You won't believe it. Looks like a silver. But at the same time, again, free is free, and I've paid more for worse, so I won't fight that at all. Shout out to Kingroon again for sending me this. I appreciate it a lot. Another thing I want to mention, though, if you guys want to get in on the contest with Kingroon, definitely follow them on social media. I follow them on TikTok and Facebook. I got this off of Facebook. If you're not too sure how to spell it, there you are. They didn't have a ridiculous contest where you had to do a bunch of stuff. I honestly didn't even realize I had entered into it. I was just kind of like commenting and liking like I normally do and sharing some of my prints. But nonetheless, that was really cool. Again, shout out to Kingroon. Follow them on everything. I'll put links in my post as well.